Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a Diecast unboxing video and we have a Formula One car. This time it's the Oracle Red Bull Racing's RB18 Sergio Perez's 2022 car. So I found this car, like with my last video with Charles Leclerc, I found this car at my Walmart, and apparently I did not realize until I went there and I saw Sergio Perez and Charles Leclerc's car, which is this one right here. Here, that Walmart actually sells these. And I found it, and I'm not so sure where you are from, that if they do sell these. But I found it, and it was pretty cool to just buy one. So on the back of the car, you got the Red Bull Racing Oracle car right here. It also is said to keep the base. Well, the packaging for future references. So let's get Sergio Perez out of his box. So about Sergio Perez, on box, is that he is an F1 driver from Mexico who currently drives the Red Bull Racing car. And I'm not so sure that if what will happen next season with Daniel Ricciardo back in AlphaTauri, but let's figure out what happens. So here's a look at the car. So on the side of the car, you got the Oracle logo instead of the Red Bull logo, which was usually on every single Red Bull car, except for, I think, in the early 2010s, where it had like the Infinity logo on the side, instead of the Red Bull, which is now underneath the big bull with the yellow circle. Of course, the number 11. On the front is usually the same with the yellow nose cone with the two bulls on the sides. A new front wing and a new back wing, which says BYBIT, and on the side you got Mobile One and Tezos. And on the new Pirelli tires that were introduced in 2022, you got the medium compounds with the red inner circle, and of course the single lug nut in there. And on the front of the car, you got the number 11 and the Oracle and the Tacular logo, which is, I think, a company for like clothing. And on the back of the spoiler, you got the Oracle logo again. On the and on the base of it says Oracle Red Bull Racing RB18 2022. If you do want the car out of the base, there is a screw right here, and I'm not so sure what these two are. I think they're connected to the base of the car. But if you want to take it out of the case, it's fine, but I think you do want to keep the base around just in case for future referencing if you want to protect it. And I think that'll conclude today's video. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.